Can you get Adobe Creative Cloud all apps for free? So unfortunately, you cannot get Adobe Creative Cloud apps for free, as Adobe offers its suites of apps through a subscription-based service. This is a paid service, and there's no legitimate way to get it for free indefinitely without violating Adobe's terms of service. Here are some piracy risks. So if you end up pirating Adobe softwares for free, it is actually against the law. Using pirated softwares can result in serious legal consequences, including fines and even criminal charges. If you're looking for a way to access Adobe Creative Cloud apps without paying the full price, here's some legitimate free alternatives. There are free trials, there's student and teacher discounts, Adobe Express free plan, Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan, free Adobe software, or looking for promotions, as they occasionally offer promotions. While the idea of getting Adobe Cloud for free is tempting, it's important to understand the legal and ethical considerations involving in obtaining software. Piracy not only exposes you to legal risks, but also endangers your device and personal data. Subscribe.